The Safety First Turn and Go DLX car seat offers a unique 360-degree rotation feature that enhances convenience for parents by allowing face-to-face interaction with their baby during buckling and transferring. This car seat stands out with its SecureTech technology, which provides red to green visual indicators to ensure correct vehicle belt tension, addressing a common installation issue faced by many parents. Designed with safety as a priority, the car seat not only meets but exceeds all federal safety standards and is compliant with the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration regulations. The built-in vehicle belt lock-off arm simplifies installation by ensuring a secure and tight fit, making it easy for parents to install the car seat correctly. Its one-time base installation works across all three modes, including rear-facing, forward-facing, and belt positioning booster, eliminating the need to reinstall as your child transitions through different stages. The Turn and Go DLX car seat is a versatile choice that accommodates children from birth up to 10 years, offering comfort and convenience as your child grows.